In civil engineering, the pressure of time, cost, and quality is intensifying. Projects that once required months are now expected to be delivered within weeks. Many ask why schedules continue to slip even when teams are working harder than ever. The answer is often hidden in the minutes lost through complex handoffs, design revisions, and unreliable survey data. Each of these seemingly small delays adds up to enormous costs. This is why the future toolkit for designers and engineers must go beyond software and embrace a system that shortens timelines while safeguarding quality at every stage. This toolkit can be understood through a four-part framework: effective collaboration, parametric modeling, rapid validation, and trustworthy field data. These elements are not separate workflows but parts of a closed loop. Where survey data feeds the parametric model, the model is validated by simulation, and collaboration ensures everything stays synchronized in real time. When these pieces connect, decision-making flows forward rather than backward, keeping momentum intact. The first challenge that nearly every project faces is collaboration and handoff. Too often, schedules slow down under the weight of endless email threads and conflicting file versions. The solution is centralization. AXA Engineers implements Autodesk Construction Cloud alongside its dedicated client hub to ensure that only one live model and one verified set of files exist. This means designers, contractors, and clients are always working from the same source of truth, eliminating wasted effort caused by outdated documents and ensuring project momentum is never lost. The second element of the toolkit is parametric modeling. A minor change to a setback line or roadway alignment still consumes hours when handled manually. With Civil 3D combined with Dynamo and grading optimization, design rules can be predefined so the model updates automatically whenever inputs change. Grading optimization further evaluates multiple cut-and-fill scenarios, minimizing earthwork and reducing hauling costs. What once took hours of redrafting can now be resolved instantly, proving that automation is no longer a distant concept but a practical solution engineers can adopt immediately to save significant time. The third factor is rapid validation through simulation. The greatest risk is not a late submittal, but discovering flaws after construction begins. At that stage, corrections mean heavy costs and damaged schedules. AXA Engineers addresses this with storm and sanitary analysis paired with automated clash detection. Drainage systems can be pressure tested against extreme conditions before permitting, while the model undergoes scans to identify conflicts, such as a water main intersecting a sewer line, long before they appear in the field. By embedding these checks into design milestones, issues are caught at the cheapest and most efficient stage to resolve. The fourth and foundational element is survey data. If the terrain inputs are inaccurate, every downstream decision is compromised. Many projects fail at the outset simply because survey data was inconsistent or poorly processed. AXA Engineers employs a structured approach that cleans raw point files, standardizes them, and converts them into Civil 3D line work that adheres to strict CAD standards. This process ensures the digital twin mirrors the real-world site accurately, forming a reliable base for design decisions. Even a simple requirement such as requesting surveyors to deliver standardized point files and a sample reference drawing creates a level of consistency that pays dividends throughout the project lifecycle. The important point is that these four elements are not disconnected steps but one integrated system. Survey data provides the foundation for the parametric model. The model is validated by simulation, and all stakeholders remain aligned through centralized collaboration. This continuous loop keeps decisions moving forward. AXA Engineers has applied this integrated workflow to developments covering hundreds of acres, proving that the framework scales seamlessly from concept design to major infrastructure projects. The future of civil engineering design will not be defined by working longer hours, but by working smarter with the right tools. When the toolkit combines digitalization, sustainable design thinking, rigorous validation, and global collaboration, timelines become predictable, risks diminish, and outcomes improve. AXA Engineers demonstrates how this future is already within reach. By combining advanced technology with disciplined processes and a culture of responsibility, AXA Engineers empowers engineers to focus on creativity while ensuring execution remains precise and dependable. The message is clear. The must-have designer engineer toolkit for future design trends is not simply about software, nor is it limited to a single workflow. It is about a complete system that unites technology, people, and reliable partners. AXA Engineers embodies this system and shows that when engineers are given the tools and environment to thrive, the results extend far beyond individual projects. Clients benefit from speed and accuracy, communities gain from sustainable solutions, and the entire industry advances toward higher standards. The toolkit of the future is incomplete without a trusted partner like AXA Engineers, a company that proves every day that smarter systems, not longer hours, define the next generation of civil engineering design.